Hey designers, let's create this tech-inspired abstract motion background in Adobe After Effects. Let's get started. Open After Effects, and first of all, let's create a new solid. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Gradient Ramp. Apply Gradient Ramp on this solid layer. Now, give it any color that you like. I'm going to give it a start color of dark blue and an end color of light blue. Or, you can even swap the colors later on if you like. Alright, now let's lock this layer. Take the pen tool and draw a straight line here. Now, we can make this line curve like this. Align it carefully in the composition. Then, go to the properties of this shape layer. Go to Contents, then Shape 1, Stroke 1, and change the line cap from But Cap to Round Cap. Next, go to Taper Options and increase the start length and the end length. You'll see that your line has become tapered like this. Now, in the Properties, go to Add and select Repeater. Go to the Repeater options and increase the number of copies. Increase it up to 300. Then, change the offset value to negative. I think -62 looks good. Now, go to Transform, Repeater 1 Properties. Change the anchor point X value to -15. Adjust the position to a lower value, like 35. I think 35 looks good. Now click on the stopwatch next to rotation, and set the value of the rotation to 5 or 6. Move the time indicator a few frames forward and set the rotation to 0. Move the time indicator forward again and set the rotation back to 6 or 7, whichever looks better to you. Now, let's decrease the stroke width. Set the stroke width to around 2 pixels. Preview the animation to check the results. Perfect. Now that we're done with this, we want the motion graphics to keep repeating. To do this, click on the stopwatch next to rotation while holding Alt on your keyboard. Apply the expression loop out then brackets inside brackets add parenthesis and inside it write ping pong. Ping pong effect will create a smooth repetitive motion. Next, let's apply gradient ramp to this line as well. Select the line, go to Effects and Presets, and apply Gradient Ramp. Choose a color of your choice. Feel free to adjust the settings to suit your preferences and experiment with different looks. Now, press Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate this layer. Change the position and rotation of both layers to achieve the desired layout. This part is up to your aesthetic preferences, so adjust them as you like. Preview the animation to see how it looks. If necessary, rotate them a bit more and preview again. If you don't want both cylinders to intersect at the same time, select one of them, press U to view its keyframes, and select all the keyframes. While holding Alt, move them so that one animation is slightly slower than the other. This adjustment will prevent the cross effect you were seeing before. After, you can customize this animation further by adjusting values or adding your own unique touches. For even more impressive results, consider applying a glow effect to enhance the overall look. Feel free to experiment with different settings to achieve the desired effect. And that's it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.